Wellco are proud to have partnered with Winslow, one of South Australia's leading civil construction companies, to help deliver this vibrant community. Stage 2 construction has officially commenced, and we're already seeing bulk earthworks take shape across the site. Over the coming weeks, the team will begin installing underground services including sewer, stormwater and drainage connections, which are essential to supporting the future community. Every lot at Air will be connected to the town's main supply, providing high quality services and ensuring each home is future ready. Once sewer and drainage works are complete, we'll move to connecting water, power and NBN services before laying the road base and concrete curbing. After that, we'll be progressing towards practical completion, followed by applying for compliance and the release of titles, which is an exciting milestone for our future residents.